Hello. This is video number 4 of 6 in a series entitled The Path of Survivorship. My name is Jeremiah Callahan. The lessons I've learned in life of greatest value have been lessons in attitude and perspective. A person's perspective determines a lot about them and has a profound impact on their life. I'm not quite sure why, perhaps because of my experiences and my perspective, but receiving my diagnosis didn't overwhelm me as one might expect. I accepted the news and within an hour or so began planning how I was going to deal with it. I was more concerned that what my wife would be able to manage on her own than I was for my own survival. I saw more grief and concern in the faces of my family and friends than I actually felt for myself. After my diagnosis, I was invited to participate in a clinical trial that was testing a new treatment method. After I recovered, I decided to look into my disease for the first time. I wasn't afraid or reluctant to look into my disease earlier. I wasn't living in denial. I just didn't care. I was fully aware of my condition. I chose my treatment plan, and I knew the risks and the hopeful outcome of my treatment. I just didn't want to dwell on it. I wanted to focus exclusively on living my life. I did my very best every day to shine through my illness. Some days were brighter than others, but I never lost my positive focus, and I think that was crucial in my recovery. My research led me to a website of survivors' accounts. With few exceptions, the accounts I read were full of despair. I felt quite confident in my newfound health, so I submitted an account of my own experience. I was not at all prepared for the response I received. Over the past 4 years, I've communicated with nearly 200 newly diagnosed cancer patients. They all have 3 things in common. They were given a diagnosis of incurable cancer. They're effectively paralyzed by fear, and they're desperately searching for hope. I've given everyone I've met the same basic advice. Focus on what is truly important in your life. Adjust your perspective. Choose a positive attitude. Make your best judgments and decisions and do whatever is best for you so that you can be well. Acknowledge your fear and do your best to ignore it. Spend your time and energy wisely. Enjoy each day as best you can. Think like a survivor. Act like a survivor. Become a survivor.